friends, it's Miss Aquabor, and I'm here to do some math with you. So we're gonna use our dry erase board and we're gonna do a warm up quickly, okay? You guys ready? Okay, so I'm gonna make a number bond. Okay, and let's talk about our number bond before we get started, okay? So we know that our biggest circle is for our whole. That's why I have a W, and we know that these are our two parts. And usually we compose our parts to get our whole, or we can also decompose our whole to get two parts, okay? So let me see if I can trick you guys. Thinking of a number between 1 and 8. I'm gonna choose 7, okay? If 7 is my whole, I know that, I'm gonna choose 5 as one of my parts. Let's make that 5 look a little bit better. I'm gonna use 5 as one of my parts. And let's see, 5 plus how many gives us 7? Let's see. Okay, let's use our cubes. So if I have 5 cubes, I can add 2 more to get 7. Okay, so 5 and 2 gives us 7. Do you guys agree? I know you guys do. Okay, let's move on. So let's talk about a story problem. Okay, and we can use our cubes, and I also have some yummy fruit that we can use as well, okay? But since we have our cubes here already, let's use our cubes, okay? Let's say our whole was, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Since we just did 7, let's do 9. Okay, so let's count our whole and make sure we have 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, and we can decompose our whole. We can just break it in half. Okay, and now we have our two parts. Okay, so let's see how many we have in our first part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we have 3 in our second part. So friends, do you think we can make this into a number bond? We did it at school so many times and you guys were rock stars, so let's do it again, okay? Remember we said that our whole was 9, okay? And in our first part, we have 6, okay? In our second part, we have 3. Okay, so we have 6 and 3 is 9. Let's turn that into a number sentence. 6, remember, we're composing, so we're adding. That means we are putting our two parts together to get our whole. And 3 equals 9. If you guys agree, give me a thumbs up. Okay, give me a check. Okay, now let me see if I can really trick you guys. I bet I can. Let's use some fruits. Okay, Miss Aquabor went to the grocery store and she bought 4 tangerines. Okay, how many tangerines did she buy? She bought 4 tangerines. She loves apples, so she stopped and she got herself 2 apples, okay? So we have our 2 parts, we have 2, and we have 4. Friends, so we need to see how many fruits she has all together. So we're gonna take our 2 parts and we're gonna make our whole, okay? So should we count? We see that we have 4 tangerines and we have 2 apples. So let's count our parts to get our whole. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Goodness. That is way too easy for you guys, way too easy. Okay, so let's just change our number bond a little bit. Remember, we already know our 2 parts. We know that we have 2 apples and we have 4 tangerines. If we count them all up together, we get 6. Friends, can we turn our number bond into a number sentence? I think you guys can do it. Okay, so we have 2. We can start with 2. plus 4 equals 6. Looks good? Awesome. Okay, friends, so let's do one more thing. Okay? Let's do one more math problem. Okay. Actually, let's just talk about some number sentences, okay? Because we know that we can turn our number bonds into number sentences, right? Yes, okay? So if my number bond, I have 8 in my whole, okay? What are my two parts? My two parts could be a couple of things, okay? I can have 7. 7 and 1 gives me 8, okay? And I can turn this into a number sentence. So I can say 7 plus 1 equals 8. I can also change my parts. If I had 6, I could add 2 more to 6 to get 8. So I have 6 and 2 gives me 8, and we can always turn that into a number sentence as well. Okay, and let's come up with one more number sentence for our number bond. Okay, we still have the same whole, friends. Our whole is 8. What if I put a 5 there? What number can I add to 5 to get 8? That one might be so tricky for us, so we can always use our cubes. Okay, let's start off with 5 cubes. Let's count and make sure we have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 and 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 5 and 3 gives us 8. And we can turn our number bond into a number sentence, of course. Friends, look good? Awesome. Let me see if I can trick you. Okay? Because we've done this in school so many times, and I was never able to trick you guys. So 8 is still my whole. This is going to get tricky. What if I have 0? What number can I add to 0 to get 8? We know that 0 is nothing. Okay? So 0 plus 8 is going to give me 8. And let's use our counters to see. Okay? So we have 0 and we have 8. Okay? And let's make sure we have 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 0 and 8 gives us 8. And we can turn that into a number sentence. 0 plus 8 equals 8. Did Miss Oliver Board do a good job? Friends, you guys work so hard. I'm so happy that you guys get to see me and we still get to work together, even though we can't see each other in person, and give each other so much love. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.